The whole morning it has been so gloomy with all the dark clouds. Rain, rain, go away. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It has been raining for the past few days. It's a monsoon season, so today the rain has stopped and I'm able to ride my bike doing motovlogs again. So today I'll be heading to the bike shop to adjust my motorcycle chain. So lately, I have been riding my motorcycle frequently. I've been riding my bike to work, and usually I'll be driving to work. If I'm driving to work, I have to purchase a season parking ticket at my workplace so that I can park my car. So last year, my company doesn't allow us to carry forward any annual leave. So we have to clear our annual leave before the end of the financial year of 2020. So the actual working days for the month is a lot lesser. So it's pointless for me to purchase the season parking ticket for my car. So this is the reason why I've decided to ride my bike to work. So since the usage of the bike is pretty high, so definitely there will be an increase of wear and tear on those motorcycle parts like the tires, brake pads and the motorcycle chain. I don't see there's any difference in the wear and tear rate for the tires and the brake pad, but the most significant wear and tear that I could see is the motorcycle chain. Right now my motorcycle chain is pretty loose, because motorcycle chain will stretch whenever you ride the motorcycle. So in order to adjust the motorcycle chain, tools are required. It requires a pit bull stand to raise my bike upright, and also a big ratchet to loosen the wheel nut. I don't have all these tools, so I will be leaving the adjustment work to the bike shop. So right now I'll be heading to the bike shop. Wow, that's a very nice BMW. And the sky here is so dark, and I'm really afraid that it would rain. His exhaust is louder than my R6. Alright guys, I made it to the bike shop and luckily it didn't rain. Alright guys, the chain has finally tightened and now I'm heading back home. So ever since I bought this R6, I'm already using the current set of the chain and sprockets, and they have lasted me for many years. So I believe one of the possible reasons why my chain lasts that long is because of my maintenance habit. So what I actually do is I will lube my chain regularly. I'll try to clean my chain wherever I can. So especially during these few days, it has been raining for almost every day. So it's really important to lube your chain well, because a well lubricated chain will make it last longer, and this is the reason why I'm still using the current set of chain and sprockets. So getting a new chain and sprockets is not cheap. It's pretty expensive because the set of chain and sprockets will easily cost you $200 to $300. So having a good habit to lubricate the chain and clean the chain regularly, it will save you a lot of money in the long run. So one of the telltale signs when you need to adjust or tighten your loose chain is the sound that came from the chain when you are moving out from the first gear. There's a loud clink noise which is pretty irritating. So right now the chain has tightened. I can feel the difference compared to before. So right now when I throttle the bike, the power input from the engine is more direct now. When I close off the throttle, there's a lag where you are able to feel the jerk. So right now, after tightening the chain, the jerkiness from the chain has eliminated. Alright guys, I'm back from the bike shop. Earlier I was at Motul getting my chain adjusted. So previously my chin slack is about 3 inches high, and right now the chin slack is only about 1.5 inches high. So my motorcycle chain is all good now, and later I'll be using the WD-40 to wipe down the whole entire chain, and then followed by using the lubricant to lubricate the chain. I also have a car jack to jack the bike up, so it's really essential to have a car jack because this will make your lubrication work a lot easier. Alright guys, I have wiped down the whole entire chain and also lubricated the chain. So 2 years ago, which is back in 2019, I have made a similar video. I have mentioned that it's really important to loop at the side of the chain rather than the center of the chain, because usually these are the moving parts which will create friction and also wear and tear. So for the past few days, it has been raining for many days. So riding in the rainwater will wash off all the lubricants on the chain. So having a well lubricated chain, it will make your chain last longer and it will save you lots of money in the long term. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, ride safe, and bye!